Today we're going to learn how to create this geometry and then how to put toolpaths on here to cut this on your CNC router. This is all done from a photograph. The first thing we're going to need to do are install a couple applications for Fusion 360. The first application is located on this App Store. It's install scripts for add-ins from GitHub. This makes the installation of any application for Fusion that's stored on GitHub very, very simple to do. So the first thing I would do is download this and install this in your Fusion 360 environment. The instructions are very simple and easy to follow, and you should have no difficulty in doing so. The next application we're going to need is this Fusion 360 image to surface application. Once you install the GitHub installer, all you're going to need to do is provide this path and it will do the installation for you. Again, it makes this process very simple and very easy to add this into Fusion 360. Once you're successful in doing this, your Fusion 360 environment should look like the following. Under Tools here, Add-ins, you should see a script under Add-ins here called Image to Surface. Click this one and run it, and it's going to tell you to run this command, select the Show to Surface application. So under Add-ins here, you should see the Show to Surface, Image to Surface application. We'll take a look at this in a minute.